I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Search and select an action. Zoho Campaigns. Give here the data center name. My data center is zoho.com. Give here the client ID and the client secret. So, please visit the Zoho API Console. Add client. Server-based applications. Give here a meaningful client name. Give here the homepage URL and redirect URIs. So copy it from here and paste it here. Create. Copy the client ID and the client secret and paste it here. Authorize it. Accept it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in Conditional Logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Zoho Campaigns site. And you can see the data came successfully in the Zoho Campaigns. Thanks for watching.